of the ball game. Number 22, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 15, pass. Oh, kahawan, good for 2 points. Number 10, Nico, dribbling the ball. Whoop, out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Ang score, 2-0, pabor. Number 22 for 3, not good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, secure the rebound. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Nieves na naman. Good boy, 2 points. Nieves, number 23, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 14. Pass to number 1, Glodovich. Number 10 for 3, puts it in and 4. Ang score, 5. 12. Number 12, pass to number 18. Number 18, spin move. Nieves, not good. Rebound by, whoop, there's a whistle. First personal foul, 15. First team foul, tapat. 5-2, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Number 22, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 14. Number 10, dribbling the ball, pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by number 18. Nieves, dribbling the ball. Nieves, dribbling the ball, behind the block. Ako na lang, but not good. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Glodovich, not good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, pass on Negro. Negro ang nagdali. Not good. What's foul it? First personal foul, second team foul. First team foul ay substitution. In out, not in. First throw. Good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Ang dua, tulos pinik up. Good for 2 points. Negro, 5-4, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by Negro. And number 14, shot clock 15. Number 22, dribbling the ball, 10, 9, 8. Blocked by number 14. Naku, whoop, there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Foul sad number 3. First personal foul, second team foul, tapat. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 14. Pass to number 16. Number 16, guarded by Chad. Intercept, nakuha ni number 15. Number 15, pass to Nieves. Nieves na nagdali, guarded by number 22. Nieves na naman! God for 2 points! Nieves. Ang score, 6-5, pabor sa tapat. Number 22, 15 seconds to shoot. 12, 10. Whoop, there's a whistle. Whistle, out of bounds, pula sa tapat. Number 12, dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Intercept by number 10, fake, Ibade, but there's a whistle. Foul, number 12, Negro. First personal foul, third team foul, tapat. Ang oras, 7 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 23, pass to number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Nieves secure the ball. Pass to Negro, intercept by number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 14, dribbling the ball. Akto na lang. What a pick coming from number 22. Number 14, pass to Nieves. Nieves dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Number 4, pass to Chad. Akto na lang. Block by number 16. But Negro secure the 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7 seconds to shoot. Ang oras, 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1 in the Negro, but there's a whistle. Foul, number 10. Second personal foul. Second team foul, ZTZ. Time out! Tapat ang score. City size, pabor sa ZTZ. Chan, inbound, paso Negro. Negro, dribbling the ball, paso number 23. Number 23 nga nagdali! Good for 2 points. Number 23, Nieves dribbling the ball. Ang score, Noy Bisay, pabor sa ZTZ. Intercept again by number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball, controlling the game. Number 10. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number Botseren and score. Good for 3 points. Number 22. Number 14, pass to Nieves. Nieves, pass, intercept by number 16. Number 16, Nasad. Not good. Rebound. Iya lang yapon, but not good. Rebound. Who secure the rebound? Number 22. Speed. Shot clock 8. Not good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 again. Pick. Itampante. Not good. Whoop. Out of bounds. Pula sa tapat. 6 minutes and 1 second remaining time. Negro dribbling the ball. Negro. In. Whoop. Substitution. In out. Not in. Substitution. In out. Not in. Number 8, number 18, Nieves, pass to number 14, dribbling the ball. Number 14, pass to Kape. Not good. Rebound, who secure the ball, but number 23, secure the ball. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 15. Number 4. 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 10. Shot clock 15. Blocked by number 16. Oh, number 15, but 16. Good for 2 points. Number 16. 14-6. Pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Number 15, 6. Whoop, there's a whistle. Jump ball. Bula. Bula. Naro-aro. Bula. Tapat. Ibalik. Taras. 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Whoop, there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Number 4. First personal foul, 13 foul. Tapat. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. Shot clock 15, pull up, jumper, not good. Rebound, who secure the ball, but Nieves secure the ball. 12, 10, 9. What a move coming from Nieves. Number 18, good for 2 points. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Ang score, 14-8, pabor sa ZTZ. Shot clock 15. 12. What a connection coming from number 10 to 23. Number 12, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Wait, there's a stepping Bula sa tapat. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Nieves pa secure it. Shot clock 15. Number 15, dribbling the ball. Give way. There's a whistle. On the rep. Foul number 16. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. ZTZ. 14. Nieves dribbling the ball. Whoop. Out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Ang oras, 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ang score, 16-8, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4, controlling the game. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15. Number 10, pass to number 22. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What a shot coming from number 10. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Pass to number 18. Number 18, dribbling the ball, behind the back, pull up, not good. Rebound, who secure the ball, but number 16, secure the ball, intercept by number 4. Oh, there's a whistle. Foul, number 16. Penalty situation. Sila personal foul na to. Second personal foul, penalty. Kunyara, paitasa ka sa dul. Kunyara, paitasa ka sa. First throw. Good. Substitution. In out in. 2 minutes and 46 seconds, rated 9. Pabor sa ZTZ. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good for 1 point, number 14. 10-8. 10-8. 10-18. Pabor sa ZTZ. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 4. Gihata. Oh, there's a whistle. Traveling violation committed by number 4. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Negro, guarded by number 22. Negro, nakalusot, but there's a whistle. Double dribble committed by Negro. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ang score, 18-10. Pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9. Not good. Rebound by Nieves. Nieves ka nagdali. Nieves ka nagdali. Paso. Kern. Paso Nieves. Kahawan. Good for 2 points. Nieves. 12-18. Pabor sa ZTZ. Intercept by Francisco. Good for 2 points. One set. 18-14. Pabor sa ZTZ. Time remaining. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Nieves. Nieves ka nagdali. Behind the back. Intercept by number 23. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Nakuha na sa din number 14. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Paso Frances. But there's a whistle. Who's fouled? Number 4.
Nakauban na muna sila sa kuan, malubog. Kini tap.
Time out! ZTZ. Astro, good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good. 16, 18, Pabor sa ZTZ. 1 minute na lang ang habilin sa first quarter. Number 6, nakabuhi. Good for 2 points. Number 6. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. Up, out of bounds, pula sa tapat. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. 16. Wala. Shot clock 16. Number 6, Nani Negro dribbling the ball. Negro yapon.
Grabe mo.
Out of bounds, pula sa tapat.
Grabe yung matay.
10 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock.
Sabya.
Paso Frances. Give a day, but not good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6. Number 6 dribbling the ball. 30 seconds remaining time. Number 6, pass to number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball. 25 seconds remaining time.
Okay ka na?
Shot clock 10. Pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by Nieves. Nieves dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 22. Pass to number 4. Pull up jumper. Basket. Good for 2 points. Number 4. 10 seconds remaining time. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2 seconds remaining time. 1. And the first quarter. Ang score, 22-18, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 1, Glodeby, guarded by number 15, Etoy, guarded by Kulas. Number 7, guarded by number 6, pass. 8 seconds violation. 14. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 22. Pass to number 7. Whoop, there's a whistle stepping on the line. Nakuha ni Itoy. Itoy, turn around. Not good. Rebound by Francis. Wala na din kamot sa Francis. Francis secure the ball. Pass to number 14. Itoy for 3. Punch it in and goal. 22-21. Pabor sa ZTZ. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1, Clodobe. Good for 2 points. Number 1, number 7, Kulas. Kulas guarded by number 22. Pass to number 14. Whoop, there's a whistle. Backward violation committed by number 14. Pass to number 6. Number 6, guarded by number 16. Way out of bounds, pula sa tapat. Ang score, 24-21. Pabor sa ZTZ. Kulas, pass to number 14. Number 14, dribbling the ball, nangitag kapasahan. Intercept by number 6. Pass to number 22. Out of bounds, pula sa tapat. Ang oras, 8 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. Kulas, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14, dribbling the ball behind the back. Double team. Whoop! Bola sa tapat. Bola sa tapat. Tapat. Bola diri.
Sponsored by Dolly ra ba na? Kuha ang bola, ting.
Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 22. Uy, nauna diha. Imo na. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 22. Number 22 guarded by Janley. Janley, number 22, spin move. Halagi ko at pass to number 16. Not yet. Rebound. Crossing. Whoop, out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 10. Way out of bounds. Pula sa tapat. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Kulas, baseball pass. Hapit na maagtang diha.
Suga to, ting. Uy, ayaw ato.
Substitution. In out. Out in. Ang oras, time for the second quarter. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. Pass to. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4, pass to number 16. Easy 2 points coming from number 16. 26-21, pabor sa ZTZ. Ang oras na 7 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. Kulas, paso Francis. Francis, paso Echoy. Echoy, tingol black by number 23. But Echoy secured gihapon. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 16. Number 23, guarded by Echoy. Out of bounds, pula sa ZTZ. Pass to Glodobe. Glodobe, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 22. What the pass coming from 16 to number 22. Ang score, 28-21. Pabor sa ZTZ. Kulas. Pass to Janley. Janley, side step. Hatchet. Rebound. Out of bounds. Pula sa tapat. Onsa naman ay. Pass to number 14. Number 14, dribbling up. Out of bounds, pula sa tapat. Second. Kulas dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 4. Kahawan. Good for 2 points. Number 4. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 4. Pass to Janley. Intercept by number 23. Pass to number 1. Glodobe, pass to number 22.
Time out ya, time out.
Right for time out. Tapat.
Grabe mga bata. Grabe batang mga bata. Mamomo dito sa likuran.
Number 22, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Pass to inside and a whistle. Who's ball rep? Number 1. Glodobe. First personal foul, first team foul. ZTZ. Ang score, 32-21. Pabor sa ZTZ. First throw.
Ah. Mau dua minta tu ya, mau ni abot.
Dire? Adlang siya?
Oh.
Good for 1 point. Number 15. Second throw, ready for rebound.
Kasi sa sunod na siguro.
Second row, ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Hit try. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Number 22, dribbling the ball. What a big naman coming from number 22.
Maro kay ba? Maro.
Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to Nieves. Nieves intercept by number 23. Pass to number 1. Glodobe. Sumabay sa ba. Good for 2 points. Intercept by number 16 again, number 16. Not good. Rebound by Negro. Negro dribbling the ball, guarded by number 16. Negro dribbling the ball, guarded by number 22. Pass to Nieves. Nieves, 15 seconds. Drop. There's a whistle. First foul rep. Number 10. Third personal foul. Second team foul. ZTZ. Nieves dribbling the ball. One crossover coming from Nieves. 36-25, Pabor sa ZTZ. 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Out of bounds, pula sa tapat. Substitution. In, out, in.
Gusto gini minta.
5 minutes and 31 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to Echoy. Oh, but there's a whistle. Who's ball rep? What's the rep? Jambol. Wak ka kita. Bula sa ZTZ.
Jet, imo to Jet.
5 minutes. Nieves good. Number 16 good for 2 points. Negro dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 22. Nakita ka pasad. Paso Echoy. Nieves sa Laguna. Not good, but there's a whistle. Who's ball rep? Number 1, Glodobe. Second personal foul. Third team foul. ZTZ. First throw. Good. Second throw. Good. Number 22. Dribbling the ball. Alcover. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Negro. Whoa. 22. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock ng 15. Intercept by Francis. Naguna si Enjoy. Si number 23. Good by 2 points. Enjoy. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Enjoy. Enjoy. Oigi. Pasa ni number 16. Number 16. Guarded by number 15. Pulos na gasog Kasway Bart. Good for 2 points. Number 16. Number 15. Shot. Intercept by number 22. Paulawan na pass coming from 22. To number 1. Who's foul rep? Number 12. Shot. Hit. Ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Number 1. Jump ball. Idol sa Tagaytay. Pass to number 15. It's right for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Good for 2 points. Number 14. Ang score. 43-31. Ting Hohesan. Ni Asa di ay. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Nangita kapasahan. Number 14, pass to jump ball. Jump ball, dribbling the ball. Jump ball.
May guro ka nila.
Nangita kapasahan. Pass to Francis. Francis, kilapay na lang. Bating Jorge secure the rebound. Number, what a move again coming from number 22. Guarded by Nieves. Nieves, shot clock 15. Pass to number 6, number 1. Lodo Penasan. But not good. Rebound. Whoop, out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Shot clock 9 seconds remaining outside. 9 seconds shot clock. Number. Whoop, there's a whistle. Number 18, Nieves. Substitution. In out, hit in. First personal foul, second. First throw. Good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Trapo. Drive. Yes, score. 47-31, pabor sa ZTZ. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Glodope. Pass to Nieves. Nieves na shot. Good for 2 points. Nieves. Pass to number 23. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Pass to Glodope. Glodope. Kipili number 23. Pass to. Ito na. But not good. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Give it. Good for 2 points. Number 16. Nieves. Why there's a whistle? Foul daan. Number 20. Foul. Pilay number anak. Number. Jump ball. Dribbling. Why? Out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Number 23. Pass to number 22. Guarded by Francis. Alcover, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Glodoway, pass to 16. Not good. Rebound by number 5. But not good again. Rebound by Francis. Francis, secure the ball. Nangita kapasahan. Pass to Jampol. Oh, Pau. Pass to Alden. Amponi Momar. Guard for 2 points. Boss Momar. Number 23, intercept by Nieves. Nieves na shot. Floyd. What a move coming from Nieves. Number 23, dribbling the ball. 49-37. Pabor. Nieves, intercept by Jampol. Jampol, pass to Francis. Good for 2 points. Francis. Number 22, Glodoway. Out number Alcover. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Whoop. Time out. ZTZ. One minute and 45 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Nieves, dribbling the ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Blocked by number 16. Out of bounds, bola sa tapat. Shot clock, 11. 10, 9, 8, RJ for 3. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 10. Number 10 guarded by number 14. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Whoop. Foul number 10. Warning for foul out number 10. Substitution. In out in. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. First throw. Not good. Not good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 dribbling the ball. Guarded by Apong Momar. Alje dribbling the pass to number 2. Intercept by Nieves. Nieves dribbling the ball. Nieves the shot. But there's a whistle. Who's fouled it? Number 4. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Huh? First throw. Good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Good. 41. 49. Pabor sa CTC. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Number 4. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15. Number 4, secure pull up jumper. Basket. Coming from number 4. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 6. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Given sa. Oh, there's a whistle. Out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Shot clock 13. Ang oras, 35 seconds remaining time. Well, what a pass coming from number 6 to number 16. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Pass to Nieves. Pass to number 14. Pass to jumper. Foul! Hey! Traveling violation committed by Opao. 20 seconds remaining time. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 23. Number 1, Glodovic. Nakabuhi! Good for 2 points. Glodovic. 54-51. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of second quarter. Ang score, 54-41, pabor sa ZTZ. Bola sa tapat, number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18, Nieves. Nieves, dribbling the ball. Kadali ato part, but not good. But there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Number 6. First personal foul, first team foul, ZTZ. First throw. First throw. Not good. Substitution. In, out, in. Ah. Ari. Second throw. Wala. Not good again. Whoop. Out of bounds pula sa tapat. Last for 3. Not good. Rebound by. Da, bantay ko na di Abda. Dita kita da. Paso. Alcomer. Dribbling the ball. Whoa! Backcourt violation committed by number 22. Pass to number 12. Kulas. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15, pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, pass to number 4. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by Kulas. Guarded by number 14. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 13. 12. Not good. Rebound. Nieves secure the ball. Nieves garap dali. Nieves. Wala wala. Sidestep coming from Nieves. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Glorway. Guarded by number 14. Shot clock 15. Glorway. Pass to number. Iyan na lang. But Glorway. Alcover for 3. That's it. Rebound. Who secure the ball? But number 16. Secure the ball. Guarded by number 15. Number 15. Blocked by number 15. Pass to number 12. Intercept by number 22. Intercept by number 22. Alcover! Sumapay ka pa! Kulas, dribbling the ball. Pass to Negro. Negro, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 4. Nieves dribbling the ball. Kay Pangka, lupa sa dapat. Iya lang gihapon, kikuhot. But number 14, secure the ball. Good for 2 points. Patay ka may bay. Kita. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16. Pass to Alcover. Pass to Glorway. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Kulas. Intercept. Kuha ni Nieves. Nieves dribbling the behind the back. Nieves pull up jumper. Natas rebound by Negro. Go! Ikaw na, Gro! Good for 2 points. Negro. 4. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 14. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 6. Nakita kabasan. Guarded by Nieves. Wala kahawan. Good for 2 points. Number 6. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Negro, one move coming from Negro, but there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Glodeway commit the foul. Third personal foul. Second team. Number 12, 10 second shot clock. Oh, there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Kick ball. Seven minutes and 13 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 16. Number 16, shot clock 15. Intercept by Kulas, but there's a whistle. Hupog ka, Josh. Pushing foul committed by number 16. Time out! ZTZ. Sa third quarter. Negro dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 22. Pass to number 14. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Pass to Kulas. Sumalaksak. But not good. Nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 intercept by Glodope. Intercept by Nieves. Hop! Out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Bola sa ZTZ. Number 4, pull up jumper! Sakot! Rebound by Negro. Negro, nakita ka pa saan? Pass to Kulas. Kulas, wala crossover! Intercept by number 6. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16. Number 16, guarded by Negro, but there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Number 7, commit the foul. First personal foul, first team foul, tapat. Number 22, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 14. Number 14, nagdali. Not good. Rebound by Nieves. Nieves secure the ball. Nieves guarded by Glodope. Pull up jumper. Shot. Naku, out of bounds pula sa tapat. Substitution. In at in. Atras ko no gamay dah. Di ko kakita dari na plane. Good for 2 points. Negro. Number 22. Dribbling the ball. Pasok Glodope. Nakabuhat! But not good. Number 16. Secure the ball. What there's a whistle foul by number 12, Negro. Third personal foul, second team foul, tapat. First throw. Not good. Second throw, ready for rebound sa ZTZ. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Whoop! To the rip. Foul number 12. Warning. Warning for fouled out, Negro. Substitution. Hit out, hurt it. But number 6 inbound. Pass to number 4. Number 4 guarded by number 14. Number 14 guarded by Kape. Nakuha ni number 16. Number 16 dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Right up spin. Pull up. Good for 2 points. Number 16. Number 18. Nieves dribbling the ball. Guarded by Glotovic. Guarded by number 4. Nangitang kapasahan. Pass to Ganley. Pangka-epart. Lubas. Hey! Foul number 16. Warning for foul out number 16. Warning for penalty ZTZ. Nieves dribbling the ball. Intercept by Alcover nga na. Wala na pass coming from Alcover to number 4. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Nieves na saan! Sumabay ka ba? Oh, there's a whistle committed by number 15, John Lee. Wala, 30 foul. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 15. What? Pass to number 22. Shot clock 10, 9, 8. Not good. Rebound by number 6. Not good again. Rebound by number 4. Nakuha ni number 22. Number 22. Alcover. But not good. Number 6 was there. Block by number 15. Nakuha. Kuha ni Janley ang ball. Ball secured by Janley. Janley. Nakita ka ba saan? Kilabay. Nakuha ni Kape. Ako na lang. O sa trip. Out of bounds. Pula sa tapat ang oras. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Kape, inbound, pass to number 14. Number 14, pull up, jumper, and score! 53-63, pabor sa CTC. Napo ang labaw. Number 4, dribbling the ball, pass to Alcover, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Janley secure the ball. Ako na lang! Good for 2 points. Janley. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Number 4, guarded by Janley. Number 22, Ting Hui back by number 16. Number 15, but number 6 secure it. Alcover dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper. That's good. Number Brendo, wala nakuha ni number 15. Number 15, pass, what a spin, pass to Nieves, not good, but number 15 is there. Number 15, but not good again. Out of bounds, pula sa ZTZ. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Ang score, 55-63, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by Janley. Number 4, pass to Alcover. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Not good. Nieves is there. Nieves dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. Para pula sa ZTZ.
Dola. Kuha ang bola.
2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Bola sa ZTZ. Labaw o walo. Number 22 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Guarded by Janley. Pass to number 22. Number 14. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 6 dribbling the ball. Pull up. Not good again. But number 14 secure the ball. Number 14 guarded by number 6. Hey, wala pa. Wala mo. Numbers. Nieves wala. Move away from Nieves. 57-63, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 22 for 3, there's a whistle. foul, ref. Pushing foul, number 14. First personal foul. Warning for penalty, tapat. Shot clock 14. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Not good. Rebound by Nieves. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Ako na lang. But there's a whistle. Who's foul, ref? Number 22. First personal foul. Penalty situation. First personal foul. Penalty situation. Rigor. First throw. Good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 15. Oh, secure the ball, but number 22 secure the ball. Pass to number 6. Number 6 dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Shot clock 15. Number 1, Glodobin. Side step. Oh, there's a whistle. Number 15. Second personal foul. Penalty situation. Tapat. Ang oras. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. First throw. Good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 6. Good for 2 points. Number 6. 58-66. Pabor sa ZTZ. Nieves dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 40. Number 14. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 22. Pass to Nieves by Glodope. Glodope. Traveling violation committed by Glodope. Time out. Tapat. Both teams are wala na. Last na sa third quarter. Sa tapat. Remaining time. Number 18, dribbling the ball. What? There's a whistle. Foul. Out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Shit. Draw. Ang score 58-66 pabor sa ZTZ. Ang oras 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 10 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 22 again. Number 22 pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. Number 18 Nieves guarded by number 1. Pass to number 14. Intercept by number 22. Number 22 dribbling the ball. Alcover. Pinoy step. But not good. Rebound by number 15. Oh, 18. Hey, wanna behind the back. Clubbing foul. Whoop. Out of bounds. Pula sa tapat. Ratay 5 segundos ang nabiling sa third. Tapat. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 6. Pass to number 10. For 3. Not good. Rebound by number 23. Pull up jumper. Puts it out and score. 68-58. Pabor sa ZTZ. Gunley dribbling the ball. Nang inagkabasahan. Pass to Nieves. Nieves. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, there's a whistle. 7 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Foul. Who's foul? Number 22. Penalty. Foul penalty situation. ZTZ. Time remaining 7 seconds. Both teams penalty. Not good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Good for 1 point, Nieves. 8, out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the third quarter. Ang score, 68-59 pabor. 59-68 pabor sa ZTZ. Opaw, dribbling the ball. Opaw, dribbling the ball. Pass to Nieves for 2, not good. Rebound by Itzoy. Itzoy was a pick, but not good. Rebound, who secure the rebound, but number 6 secure the rebound. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10, step back, pull up, puts it in and score. Ang score, 59-70, pabor sa ZTZ. Number 6, pass to Gloribe. There's a whistle committed by Opao. First personal foul. First team foul. Tapat. Ang oras, 9 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. First throw. Good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to Nieves. Nieves dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Nieves, not good. Not short. Hey! There's a whistle. Bola sa ZTZ. Ang score, 71-59 pabor sa ZTZ. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21. 24, 23. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8. There. Good for 2 points. Number 6. Number 14, dribbling the ball. 59-73, pabor sa ZTZ. Jump ball for 3. Air ball ang labas. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Nangitag kapasahan. Gloribe, pass to number 10. Number 10, what a pick! Coming from number 10. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 22. Intercept, but there's a whistle. Kick ball committed by number 6.
Taro nga Chapol.
Substitution, in out, out in.
Rico.
Number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12. Negro, gidamag. Pass to 8, pull up the ball. Puts it in and score. 61-75, pabor sa ZTZ. Gloribe, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Ichoy. Gloribe, guarded by number 23. Pass to number 10. Intercepted by number 15, but out of bounds. Bola sa ZTZ. 13 seconds. Shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock. Pass to number 10. Pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Guarded by number 1. Nieves na shot. Good for 2 points. Nieves. Number 22, dribbling the ball. 63-75, pabor sa ZTZ. Labaw og 12. Shot clock 15. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And Nieves dribbling the ball. Negros mistake. Itanaw pa. Good for 2 points. Negros. 75-65, labaw ang ZTZ. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Alcover, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 10, dribbling the ball. 10, 9, 8, 7. Not good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, secure the ball. Shot clock 10. Not good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Niggers na shot! Niggers. Nangita kapasan. Pass to Echoy. Out of bounds. Bola sa ZTZ. Away na kakita.
Ay mo dayo, ay mo ana ha.
Out of bounds. Bola sa ZTZ. Number 22, dribbling the ball, pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 22. Shot clock 15. What a pass coming from 10 to number 4. Number 12, dribbling the ball, Negers. Pass to number 18. Nieves, pass to number 14. Pass to 14, pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by number 4. Who got the ball? Number 15, secure the ball. Kuha Echoy, pull up, jumper! Naked! Rebound by number 14. Number 14, pass to Nieves. Put it in, and score! 67-77, pabor sa ZTZ. Oras, 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by Negers. Number 6, big block by Neves. Shot clock 5, 4, 3. Not good. Rebound by number 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Not good. Rebound by 18. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Nieves. Ako lang. Nalok kami from inside but not good. Rebound. Who secure the ball up? Out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Bola sa tapat. 15 second shot clock. 5 minutes and 22. Intercept by number 6. Naku na. Patusok. Out of bounds. Pula sa ZTZ. Tapat. 5 minutes and 17 seconds remaining time. Negers. Pass to Nieves. Negro dribbling the ball. Pass. Dab. Isbog ko na dabay na. Number. Nieves. Not good. Rebound by numbers. Uy. Number 22. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 23. Number 23. 10 seconds shot clock. Not good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15 dribbling the ball. Pass to number. Intercept by number 10. Number 10 dribbling the ball, guarded by Ichoy. Number 10, shot clock 15. Whoop, out of bounds. Pula. 4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Substitution. In out in. Tagsa-tagsa lang Bart. Kay usar ako. Number 4, dribbling the ball, down to 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's a whistle. Number 15. 3 shots. First personal foul, second team score 67-77 pabor sa first throw, pabor sa ZTC. Good substitution. Win out. Hurt it. Second throw. Not good. Third throw. Ready for rebound. Not good. Oh, good. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Negers dribbling the ball, guarded by number 22. Number 22, pass to number 14. Number 14, pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by Nieves. Sikot ako na lang, but there's a whistle. Is stepping on the line. Committed by Nieves. Ang oras, 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time. Ang score, 67-79 pabor sa ZTZ. Labaw og 12. Number 4, dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 16, pull up. Not good, but Francis is there. But out of bounds, pull up sa tapat. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Negers, guarded by number 22. Pull up for 3, but and score. 70-79 pabor sa ZTZ. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Siyam na lang, down to 1 digit ang labaw. Number 10 dribbling, shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now, ball secure but Nieves is there. Nieves. Hey! Nakabuhi. Out of bounds, pula sa ZTZ. Time out! Pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4, intercept by Nieves. Nieves na lang. Good for 2 points. Nieves. 72-79 pabor sa ZTZ. Number 4, dribbling the ball. 15 still shot. Number 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, Not good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. Tataas. Mula to head. Hola, you're too small. You're too small. Number 12, dribbling the ball, pass to Nieves. Nieves, pull up jumper, pass and score! 74-81, pabor sa ZTZ. Number... Wait! He's stepping on the line. He's stepping on the line. 74-81, pabor sa ZTZ. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time. Trap po na sa Jeff. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time. Negers dribbling the ball, guarded by Alcuper. Intercept, but the Francis is there. Nakita ko ba saan? Out of bounds, pula sa naman. Grabe ang Francis. Oh, brilliant. Fasto, number 14. Oh, there's a whistle committed by number 4. Warning for fouled out number 4. Ang wala quarter. Number 4. Negers guarded by number 10. Number 10. Negers dribbling the ball. Ako na lang. Gilunggupan. Ay, murag bata. Ay! That Francis is there! What a steal coming from Francis! 76-81, pabor sa ZTZ. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 15. 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and out of bounds pula sa ZTZ. Ang score 76-81 pabor sa ZTZ. Ang oras 1 minute and 25 seconds. Negers, there's a whistle, foul by number 4. Foul, substitution, in out, in. Time. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Negers dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 10. Number 10. What a flex coming from number 10. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Oy! O sa darip! Arapat, bula sa tapat. Bula sa tapat. Bula. Bula sa tapat. Out of bounds, bula sa tapat. Out of bounds, bula sa tapat. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Ang score, 76-83, pabor sa ZTZ. Bula sa tapat. Bula sa tapat. Number 18, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. Last 1 minute. Number 18, step back. Shot clock down to 10. 9, 8. Oh, there's a whistle. Number 10, graduate. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Negers! Pass to Francis! Blocked by number 23. But number 16 secure the ball. Time remaining, 44 seconds remaining time. Intercept by Nieves. Nieves pass to Negers. Negers pass to number 14. Number 14 pull up jumper. Pass it in. 78-83. Lima na lang. Number 22 dribbling the ball. 30 seconds remaining. Intercept by Nieves. Nieves. Forward for basket out. Make a solid out foul. Nieves. Ang oras, 25 seconds remaining time. Ang score, 25 seconds remaining time. Ang score, 80-83, pabor sa ZTZ. Time out! Tapak. Bonus throw, ready for rebound. Not good! Rebound by number 16. Oh, there's a whistle. What's that the rep? 24 seconds remaining time. Number 1, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 14. Number 16, dribbling. Whoa, there's a kickball violation. Ang time remaining 19. 19 seconds remaining 5. Both teams have out. Both teams have timeout. Usa-usa na lang ha. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number... Intercept by number 22. Number 15, dribbling the ball. 9, 8, 7, foul. 7, 6, 6 seconds. 14. 13 foul. 6 seconds remaining. 6 seconds. 5. 5 seconds remaining time. Warning for 4, 3 seconds remaining time. Penalty situation. Both teams have a timeout. Usa-usa. 2 seconds remaining time. First throw. Nah, both teams na pa isa. Good for 1 point. Timeout. 3 seconds remaining time. Second throw, good. 3 seconds remaining time. 85-80. Pabor, Sazi. 2, 1. Congratulations, Team City Z, for winning the game. MVP ke? Oh yes. Paleo ko, number 10, Zata. Paleo ko. Firma.